Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So Samsung was promoting the camera department of the S22 Ultra, which delivers a lot of new features, the most notable of which is in the camera. They enhanced the 108 megapixel sensor for more realistic and natural photos, particularly in low light, and it appears like Samsung is killing with the latest camera improvements. Before that, the Galaxy S22 Ultra sparked a lot of buzz in the smartphone world, and it doesn't appear to be dying down anytime soon. The demand for the S22 is far greater than Samsung had anticipated, thus the company is expanding production capacity by 20%. So returning to the camera, as you can see, image quality in modern smartphones is determined more by optimization or artificial intelligence than by the hardware itself. When Samsung first announced the S20 Ultra a few years ago, everyone dismissed its 100x space zoom as a gimmick, and I completely agree, the image appears to be like paintings. Things didn't change much with the S21 Ultra, but with the S22 Ultra, we are seeing a night and day difference in quality, to the point where it doesn't feel like these phones are a year apart, but rather a few generations different. The 100x magnification is quite practical and no longer resembles a painting. Not just 100x, but all zoom settings have received significant improvements. According to Ice Universe, the S22 Ultra's 20x zoom is as clear as S21 Ultra's 10x zoom. With a side-by-side comparison, the contrast between two smartphones at 20x zoom is astounding. Here is a comparison of the S20 Ultra, S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra at 30x zoom to illustrate how far they have progressed in just 2 years. Not only the zoom, but the entire camera, including night photography, portrait photography, video and more, has vastly improved. With that out of the way, here is some good news for S22 customers. The new chipsets, both Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, are built on a 4nm technology. However, this means they produce a lot of heat. To combat this, Samsung developed a new cooling system that expanded the vapor chamber surface area, enhanced heat transfer and added another graphite sheet, and it appears that the new technology is functioning. When the S22 Ultra was benchmarked against the S21 Ultra, it was found to run cooler. Not only that, but the Exynos 2200's sustained performance is far superior to the Exynos 2100 on the S21 Ultra, which is wonderful news for the European customers. That used to be one of the greatest flaws of Exynos chipset, but it doesn't appear to be an issue with the new AMD graphics. So what do you think about this Galaxy S22 Ultra improvements? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.